Welcome to the Sikkim series, where I will take you on a journey exploring the breathtaking beauty of Sikkim. Located in northeast India in the lap of the mighty Himalayas, Sikkim is blessed and known for its biodiversity, snow glaciers, dense alpine forests, steep valleys, and pristine waterfalls. And guess what? Sikkim is also home to Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and the third highest on earth. So buckle up and let's embark on a journey that will leave you in awe of nature's wonders. My love for train journeys led me to start my trip to Sikkim from the enchanting city of joy, Kolkata. I enjoyed watching the picturesque farmlands and the lush tea gardens. And that was just the beginning. Once I reached Shiliguri, the gateway to northeast India, it was the perfect place to hail a taxi to Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. I knew I was in for an unforgettable experience. After reaching Gangtok and freshening up, my family and I went for a local tour in the vicinity of Gangtok. Our first stop was at the Bakthang Falls, known for its green surroundings. The crushing sound of water cascading down the rocks was music to my ears. If you are visiting Gangtok with your family, it's an ideal spot for a family outing and promises to be a memorable experience for all. John Keats once said that my imagination is a monastery and I am its monk. This is exactly how I felt at my next stop at the breathtaking Gongjang Monastery. The peaceful and serene atmosphere made me feel like I had entered a sacred sanctuary. Gongjang Monastery is located At an elevation of 6,066 feet from sea level, the monastery adheres to Nyingmapa school of Tibetan Buddhism's Changte tradition. The monastery disseminates knowledge about Indian and Tibetan Buddhist philosophy. Visiting Gomjang Monastery will inspire you. The stunning architecture and serene environment are indeed a sight to behold. Afternoon came, and after grabbing a quick lunch, we headed towards the Jawaharlal Nehru Botanical Garden, which is around 22 kilometers away from Gangtok. If you are a nature lover and love flowers, you will be mesmerized by their astounding beauty. I strolled around the garden and was amazed at the wide variety of flora and flowers. The hilltop of the botanical park offered a fantastic view of the bustling town of Gangtok. On a day with a clear sky, you can also witness the majestic snow-capped Himalayan range looming over the horizon. It's a sight that has left tourists spellbound by the beauty of the Himalayan region. That was all about day 1. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my first day in Gangtok. In my next video, I will take you to Gurudongmar Lake at an elevation of 17,800 feet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming travel vlogs. Stay tuned and see you soon.